Obviously, if they waited for water, it's too long. Uh-oh, there's the water right there.
Oh, do we grab one?
See, beer's crap in the woods. You bet we're going to grab one. Look at that. All the water's gone.
Should we look for those?
I think we're going to grab one.
Okay.
All right, we're going to grab one. It's the only one we got left. Oh, I got it. It's too heavy for the little guy.
No more water, huh?
Pure panic, man.
Actually, we got water too.
People are going to start eating themselves. We got to get that water. Okay. All those are gone. All those are cleared out. Look at that. What do you think? 3 people gnawing each other's fingers off for a flashlight. The batteries.
And we're going to be
All the flashlights are gone. Yeah, we're prepared. All right. This is just a little bit of stuff I picked up. I mean, I've got food and preps pretty much everywhere, but felt obligated to run out, get some stuff. It's the house where my little nephew lives, so I figured I'm going to make sure I have enough. School's canceled for Monday and Tuesday for right now. Hopefully this should be enough for them. They also have other food as well here, so I figured it couldn't hurt getting more. I'll probably stay at the other house. Okay, let me just go out in the yard, pick up anything that could fly into these windows. Things like trash cans and things like that. These are all the potential Frankenstorm projectiles picked up in the yard. We're stored here. With luck, this shed will also still be here. Okay, I'm going to go to the other house and secure that yard as well. We are 24 hours out from quote-unquote Frankenstorm. At least that's what they're calling it. Alright, I have some water which I'm bringing to a relative's house. That's where I'm going right now. In my vest, I went through my vest to see what I had on me as far as on my person. And I have this little Beretta. For flashlight, I have this Cork AAX. I just got it in. Figured that was a good time to test it. And I have this Blind Horse Knives Scanty Tiger Nap. That was in my vest. Here's my pack. Basically, it's set up kind of as usual. The only difference is I added extra clothing in there and some Gore-Tex pants to go along with the poncho. Alright, let me head out. I'm going to go deliver this water, then head back here. We got a little line here. This is not to be unexpected for gas, so let me get some. I already have, you know, but I'm just going to top off the tank. Figured it can't hurt. Jesus, the gas is expensive though, and that's just normal. Right in the middle. All right, let me try to get out of this thing if I possibly can, without causing a major accident. Let me turn this camera off. One advantage of prepping late: prepared food 50% off, because it's all going to go bad once the power is done. That's one of the pros. Shopping food during Sandy. The meat section is empty. Alright. Let's take a look, packing all the meats, probably going to freeze them. I don't know what they're going to do with them. But, let's see what they got. Let's see here. Hurricane Sandy Special. Buy one, get second item free. What are you going to say about that? Okay, car a little bit. Some junk on the lens of this camera. The wind's picking up a bit, but it's 4 o'clock and we're still empowered. I think, let's see here. I think we got one fallen big tree branch top or something. There's a little more wind. Alright, let me get inside here. I don't know. End up slipping on these slippery leaves, I guess. Okay, things have just gotten a little more squirrely. down the yard. Back there, that one's questionable. There it is. Wham. Alright, let me get away from these trees. That's it. We have our first down tree in the yard. Snap. Alright, let me get back here. Well, that's it for our power. Some lightning flashes or transformers going. Not sure what it is. So, alright. No more power. Storm's still going.
Got no signal.
Wow. So you gotta try a signal.
You don't have no signal either, right?
Take a look right now. See if I have any phone signal.
I don't have nothing.
Give it a try. Get the call signal.
I gotta call my nephew.
Give it a try. See if I have a signal. Alright, let's see here. Alright. Wow. That guy's got a little mess. Look at that. Alright, I got it. That's bad. Wiped out. Look at that. Okay, let's some minor.
What's that wall?
Is there? Oh gosh, look, another one went. Look at all those bees on that.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh. Okay. Let's check out the shed. Oh! Shed survives. Let's see here. Oh, broken tree there. All those trees are down there. Wow, huge. Big pine tree is gone. On the way to the shed, we have a little wild edible. That's a rose. There's the thorns. And here are the rose hips. Could make tea out of them. Sometimes I nibble on them a little bit. Well, I don't like. I don't think the seeds are good to eat, but the outer husk part. There we go. There you can see. Okay. Also on the way to the shed, a wild edible, a little wood sorrel. Not too bad. So just on the way to the shed, we got two little wild edibles. Another wild edible on the way to the shed, dandelions. I like to fry up the dandelion heads. So I got 3 wild edibles on the way to the shed to check out the hurricane damage. We have yet another wild edible. This one is clover. That's just right out in the yard. I usually nibble on the flowers. Here, the leaves are good too. So we're up to 1, 2, 3. I think this is our 4th wild edible. Just checking out the property for hurricane damage. Alright, keep going. Oh, right in the middle of the yard. That's nice. Getting water by this pond for the toilet. Flush the toilet if you dump water into it. Wow. The storms have totally covered this pond over, which is trees all caved into this pond. Trees all caved into here. Look at this. Ah. Yep, down you go. All these are down. All those are down. Okay. Right over here, you've got the good old dependable Coleman doing its job. This is one of those ancient Coleman white gas stoves. So we'll just, still no power, so this will be it. It's working, it's working. Everybody knows the score with this. Just put the white gas in here, you pump it, and it goes out. A dual burner. A lot better than a backpacking stove, or for something like this. Coleman fuel, dirt cheap, and up here lasts, well, a little bit of time. And a little short on that though. Alright, let me finish this nonsense up. Keep going. Quick look at the progress. I don't know what's up with those sirens. Who the hell knows? Okay. That's going good. This is all stuff I wanted to cook first. And this is it's looking good too. So, big thumbs up for the Coleman suitcase style white gas stove. That's not bad for somebody who doesn't have power. Driving the post Sandy there, you gotta watch. Look at one, look at that. Let me squeeze through there.
Just let me know what's going on.
Alright.
We have a lot of information
Straight.
for you.
Great. Ever would you drive under the trees to think of that power line? Right. But post Sandy, this is old hat already. Well, you don't care about that. You'd call the police. You'd be horrified.
I mean, a lot of people on Thursdays like to shop.
I-95 southbound.
Yeah, we got to back up the car. You can't get through that. You try to get. You can move me, you squeeze through there.
And I-95.
Oh, that's real nice. That's a brush. Squeeze all the way in there.
37. We're calling that a brush fire.
Okay.
I-95 south.
What they should do is they should start getting power back, because if somebody has to get somewhere, traffic will just be jammed up.
That makes total sense to me. General rule is no light when you come to a four-way stop. You treat this like a four-way stop. So we stop right here. We allow that truck to go. Come on, buddy, go, 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 go. And it is my turn to go. And those are the rules.
It's not your turn to go.
That's right, that's right. Just driving around, you wouldn't think this is the center of a town. I just went right through a light because there is no light. That's one of the pros to the post-Sandy world. Of course, you have to watch, look for cars going the other way if there are any. But generally, you don't have any lights to worry about unless there's lights working in some town. Sometimes they're working, sometimes they're not. And this is the center of town here. There's nothing. Other cars driving. That's a town hall. You can't see nothing. And coming up ahead, I guess we also have a whole bank of lights. Let's see here. Yep, that's the town hall right there. And can I even see the stoplight? No, not quite there yet. Now I'm all confused. Where is that stoplight coming up? Hold on here. Okay. And I think up, there's the stoplights right there. It blew right through because there's the town hall. Yeah, and people are worried about walkers, but never mind the walkers. Oh, look, supermarket. Yeah, that's nice. Okay. Well, third day, no power. Turn this up a little bit. That's better. Alright, just using up the food that would potentially go bad. My ice is still holding up. I put a bunch of ice in the freezer there, but it's starting to go a little bit. Originally froze bottles of water. Those are only going to last so long. So might as well cook the crab cakes, the fish, and the French fries. Fortunately, It's still pretty cold. I must put 10 gallons, I don't know, maybe 5 gallons of water frozen in that freezer, so it's got some time on its side. Alright, let me continue with this nonsense. Little alcohol stove action. Okay, here's a paper. Where's the power? Let's see what we have here. This is about, I don't know, 4 days after the fact. Monroe 70% out, Weston 91, Westport 79, Wilton 79, Easton 82% out, Bridgeport 49%, not good, Trumbull 66%. Alright, yeah, you know, I can't complain too much. The house never got underwater, no one's killed, so other people had it a lot worse. But that's the status so far. So, alright, well, just keep going with the nonsense. Alright, 5 days without power, and I'm just using the solar recharging devices I have for my preps. This one is charging my phone. I don't know if you can see. It's kind of hard with the sun, but it's definitely being recharged. This one, this Silva Techno 4, is recharging these 2 AA batteries, which should be done in about 10 hours, given the sun. Well, it's been going for a while, so... There is charging stations in town. It's been 5 days. I think the library has it. But I just don't like the idea of being a gypsy, dependent on others. I would recommend the solar recharging gear to anyone. This way, if, like circumstances, the generator, thank you very much, generator, for failing when needed you the most, dies, you have a backup. Oh boy, the final stages. The infamous food throwout. The unfortunate food throwout. You know, this time you should throw it out further in the woods.
No, they'll come for it.
No, because everyone's throwing out food.
All my stuff.
Alright. The food throwout. What do I gotta say about that? I've got power on both houses now, but let's see, it's about a week later from the time the storm hit. Still awaiting power. Bridgeport 2%, that's good. Easton 31%, not so good. Fairfield 13%. You have some towns like Weston 39% out. Westport 15% and Wilton 27%. Fairfield, Trumbull town officials blast United Illuminating over superstorm response. Go figure. Alright, well, I guess this is where I will put an end to the story. Hopefully those people get their power back on. I hope that everybody in New York and New Jersey recover soon. And that's about it.